The very people you've always known as your closest ones, you've eaten at the same table, lived under the same roof. But one day, when serious money enters your life, the first thing that changes isn't your bank account, it's their behavior. Those who once only wanted the best for you, some of them suddenly start looking at you differently. The funny thing is, at first, you won't even notice it, but then all of a sudden it hits you. Nothing is the same anymore. Exactly what happens to your family life after you become a millionaire, I've broken it down into 3 points. In point 1, we'll see how the biggest success of your life one day becomes your ultimate test. In point 2, we'll find out why some people smile to your face but talk about you the most when you're not around. And then point 3, we'll see how a family can slowly fall apart without a single screaming match, all because of money. Because you've probably heard this saying before, money doesn't change people. Money just exposes the things that were already there. You just couldn't see them. So let's begin. Point number 1, the catalyst. A single moment where everything in your life stopped being the way it was. This story begins about 11 years ago. Back then, everyone around you was going out on weekends, partying, hanging out with friends after work. And you were staying up late in a tiny room trying to build your online business. Nobody knew what you were building. Nobody really believed in it either. There were many nights when you thought, forget it, I'm done. What's the point of all this struggling? But the next day, you opened that laptop and got back to work because you believed that one day this hustle would actually pay off. 11 years later, that's exactly what happened. A major investor offered to buy your business. The deal closed. Within a few days, $1.3 million hit your account. The crazy part is, even after something this massive, you didn't tell a soul. You wanted your life to stay exactly the same. Keep going to the office, keep wearing the same ordinary clothes, keep hanging out like normal. Because you knew that money changes the way people look at things. But some news can't be hidden. Within a few days, somehow, the news reached your family. It was an ordinary Wednesday afternoon. You were sitting at your desk working. Suddenly, your phone buzzed. Your older brother's name flashed on the screen. The message was incredibly short. Heard you sold the company. $1.3 million. Let's sit down when you have time. We need to talk. You read that message and just stared at the screen for a minute. Because it wasn't about the money, something else was running through your head. This is the same guy who hasn't called once in the last few months to ask how you're doing. What's so urgent today? That was the first day you realized money doesn't just increase your bank balance, it rewrites the math on a lot of relationships. And right then, you knew, after your biggest achievement, the real test was just beginning. Because from now on, people won't be listening to your words, they'll be looking at your wallet. Point number 2. The shift in dynamics, where we find out why some people smile to your face but talk about you the most the second you leave the room. How money wakes up people's hidden jealousy and ego, you saw the first real proof of that at next week's family barbecue. Back in the day when these family cookouts happened, the vibe used to be so amazing, warm and genuine. Everyone would sit together laughing, getting nostalgic over old memories, asking how everyone was doing. But today, when you stepped into that backyard for the barbecue, you felt that familiar warmth in the air just instantly vanish. Everyone was kind of giving you the side eye and whispering amongst themselves the second you walked away. As soon as you sat at the table, your own brother handed you the plate of meat with an ugly, crooked smirk. He said loudly, right in front of everyone, "Here, bro. Eat up. You're the richest guy in the family now. A whole millionaire. By the way, you're paying for everyone's gas money home today, right? Or did you get so much cash you forgot about us?" Hearing that, the rest of the table burst into laughter. But you could feel it, loud and clear. There was no joy in that laughter, no genuine warmth. It wasn't just a joke. It was loaded with years of pent-up jealousy and resentment. Once upon a time, they just knew you as a member of the family. But now, you've become a walking ATM machine. If you pull up in the same basic Honda or Toyota like you used to, they'll go behind your back and say, "Made all that money but couldn't even spare a dime to help out his own people." And if you treat yourself to a nice watch or a luxury car, they'll say right to your face, "Look at him showing off his money. He's just doing this to make us feel small." Basically, no matter what you do, you just can't win with them. Just 2 days later, the real tsunami of demands hit. First, your aunt called you up, her voice sweeter than honey. She said, "Hey, sweetie, a guy I know is starting this amazing real estate business. It's a really quick opportunity. If you just invest 50 grand, you'll double it by next year. That kind of money is nothing to you. You could blow that in a second." The moment you turned the offer down, her smile just instantly vanished. Before hanging up, she dropped the line, "This is what happens when people get money. They don't even recognize their own blood." The very next day, your mom came and sat in your room. She slid a piece of paper over, talking like it was your absolute duty to bail her out. "We're all doing as much as we can, but we just can't cover the whole cost. If you step up, at least we can save the house." Your mom's quiet but heavy guilt trip completely crushed you. Nobody in your family saw how much blood, sweat, and tears you poured into your 20s to make that $1.3 million. Now, there's only one equation running in their heads. You have the cash, so you have to fix every single problem in this family. In the middle of all this, your brother showed up with a guaranteed no-loss deal. He emotionally blackmailed you, saying, "You'll pay hundreds of thousands in taxes and hand your money to strangers for investments, but you won't even help your own brother with a business? Did you really get that selfish?" Just to keep the peace and save your relationship with him, you gave in and handed over $40,000. Just 3 months later, the news hit. Thanks to bad decisions and poor planning, the entire $40,000 investment was gone. The craziest part is, after losing all that money, your brother didn't even apologize to you once. Instead, he went behind your back and started telling the rest of the family. He just got lucky and became a millionaire. His ego is out of control. I took a small loss in my business, and he's treating me like the house servant. At a certain point, you realized these people don't even care about you anymore. They only care about your money. Now we're moving on to our interesting point number 3. But before we do, I have a quick question for you. Which US state or which country in the world are you watching this video from? Make sure to let me know down in the comments. Take a quick second and drop a comment right now. I'm going to read your comments and highlight a select few in my next video. Point number 3. The climax, where we'll see how without any massive blowout fights, a family can slowly fall apart strictly because of money. When this silent decay and tension in your relationships reached its peak, that's exactly when the biggest breaking point of your life arrived. Suddenly, on a freezing winter night, your dad had a stroke and was rushed into the ICU in critical condition. Your entire family got the news and crowded into the hospital hallway. You didn't waste a single second. You walked straight to the hospital counter, pulled out your credit card, swiped it, and single-handedly paid for all your dad's initial medical expenses and the expensive private room. Because you loved your dad. And being able to use your money to save your dad's life in this critical moment was the ultimate payoff of becoming a millionaire to you. But right then, while your dad is fighting for his life inside the ICU, your own brother pulls you into a dark corner of the hallway. He looks left and right and in a very low, calculated voice says, "Listen, man, Dad's condition isn't looking good at all. The doctors are saying he might need a lot more tests and major surgeries. Do me a favor, pull out another 100 grand in cash from your account and hand it over to me for the hospital bills. If there's an emergency, I'll handle it. And if we don't need it, we'll square it away between us later." Your dad's sickness was a nightmare to everyone else, but to your brother, it became an opportunity. He thought that in this extremely emotional and vulnerable moment, you wouldn't argue and would just hand the money over in a heartbeat. But the dam of all your bottled up pain and tolerance finally shattered. You looked your brother dead in the eye, and with a rock-solid, ice-cold voice, for the first time in your life, you said, "No." You said, "Every single cent of Dad's treatment, every single medical bill, I will personally walk up to the doctor and the hospital counter and pay it myself. But I'm not putting a single red cent into your dirty pockets ever again." The second he heard that one hard no, the familiar look on your brother's face turned into pure viciousness. He started screaming right there, calling the rest of the family over and saying, "Do you guys see this? Do you see how ruthless and arrogant he's gotten? Dad's dying in here, and he's treating us like thieves, showing off his money. He doesn't even see us as family anymore." In that dim, bluish light of the hallway, when you looked around, you clearly saw it. Your mom, your aunt, your brother, they were all staring at you with extreme hatred, hostility, and judgment. Suddenly, it hit you. They hate you because you finally had the guts to say no to their toxic demands. Without any massive screaming match or physical fight, because of just one single word, your entire family collapsed right there like a house of cards. That day, you learned one thing very clearly. Money doesn't change people. People don't change when the money comes. What changes is their need to keep their masks on. The video ends focusing only on your old man. After recovering and coming home from the hospital, one afternoon, your dad came over to your ordinary little apartment. Even after hearing about your $1.3 million, he didn't show any crazy excitement, and he didn't ask you for a single thing either. He just popped the hood of your car and, like a boring mechanic, changed the black, dirty engine oil with his own hands. Then he put a hand on your shoulder and with absolute pure affection said, "You're working way too hard, kid. Take care of yourself. Your old man doesn't need anything else from you." Right then, a tear rolled down your cheek, and you realized this man is the only symbol of real, unconditional love in your life. A man who loved you exactly the same way when you didn't have a penny to your name, and still loves you exactly the same today. While the rest of the world started measuring your worth by the balance in your bank account, your dad is the only one whose love doesn't have a price tag. A lot of people think becoming the first millionaire in the family means the end of all your problems. But for a lot of people, that's exactly where a completely different kind of test begins. Money might buy you financial freedom, but at the same time, it will absolutely shatter the cheap, fake relationships around you. But at the end of the day, remember one thing. Relationships that are built just by looking at your bank account were never really relationships in the first place. They were just a financial transaction, a business deal. Have you ever had a real-life experience like this, where money came into the picture and exposed the true colors of the people closest to you? Or are you fighting this brutal war all by yourself to become the first millionaire in your family? Let me know your honest answer down in the comments below. If this video hit you on any level, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with that one friend who really needs to see it. I'll see you in the next high-impact video. Until then, keep your boundaries strong. Recognize the real ones and build your empire.